A small component can make a big difference in how your vehicle runs, and a properly sealing fuel cap is a perfect example. This vehicle-specific replacement gas cap is designed to meet OEM quality standards and help your vehicle maintain optimal fuel system performance while staying compliant with emissions regulations. If your check gas cap light is on or you are dealing with failed emissions tests, this simple upgrade can often be the solution. Manufactured from durable, long-life materials, this gas cap is built to withstand daily use and long-term exposure to heat, pressure, and fuel vapors. It is independently tested and engineered to pass all state and federal emissions requirements, giving you confidence during inspections and routine driving. The precisely designed pressure and vacuum relief valves help control fuel vapor flow, reducing harmful evaporation and supporting proper venting within the fuel system. A leaking or worn fuel cap can allow a surprising amount of gasoline to evaporate over time, wasting fuel and contributing to air pollution. By restoring a proper seal, this gas cap helps reduce emissions, improves fuel system integrity, and may even prevent unnecessary warning lights on your dashboard. Installation is quick and easy, making it a practical fix for drivers who want results without complicated repairs. Drivers who have replaced their old or faulty caps report immediate improvements, including resolved warning messages and restored peace of mind. Designed by an OE supplier and built to exact fit specifications, this replacement part delivers reliable performance you can trust. If you want a simple, cost-effective way to protect your vehicle, reduce fuel loss, and stay emissions compliant, this gas cap is a smart choice. Click the link in the video description to check compatibility and pricing, and subscribe to the channel to discover more practical automotive solutions.